Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Today we mark the beginning of a new chapter, a new hub for product innovation, manufacturing and sustainable mobility, serving the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the broader Middle East. Elevators for every application, up to high-rise, escalators, moving walks, designed, built and installed here, modernized over their lifetime, serviced every day, backed by strong local capabilities, engineering, training and spare parts, working together to secure reliable delivery at scale, a vision becoming reality. Move beyond in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the broader Middle East. TKE ALAT.